Hi everyone, I finally got a mic for myself and I'm hoping to get better audio quality. I evaluated two different types of mics. One is condenser mic, other is dynamic mic. I found dynamic mic more suitable for my purposes because it was a bit cheaper, it got less noise, it required less power, the phantom power in uh, audio interface is not required, and it can handle more rough handlings. I can see the rugged design and the sturdy build of that. The one I was looking for is Shure SM58. It's a legendary mic. It was used in so many stage performances. It's still being used in so many performances. I didn't get that because it was out of stock. I bought one similar to that. It is Beta 58A, and um, it can be considered as a bit of upgrade, but in Shure website they say it's not exactly an upgrade. It depends on what purpose you are using, what environment you are using, and what type of sound you have. uh, the main difference I found here is the polar pattern. I'll cover in at last. And uh, Beta 58A has neodymium magnet that is a little bit better and provides more gain than SM58. I got this from Bass and Treble shop. It is authorized distributor for Shure in Nepal, and they delivered quickly within a day. I called them in the morning and then they delivered around 3. It was awesome. So let's start unboxing. So let's see what is in the box. Outside it just says Shure legendary performance and super cardioid dynamic vocal microphone. Uh, let's open this, and what we have here, we have the microphone. It's small, it feels heavy, it feels nice and solid, and we have some stand, uh, like we can connect this to mic stand, and we have this converter. I think it's for this one. If we want to convert this to, if we want to connect this to different sized uh, mic stand, and we have these guides, and we have this thing. Let's see this later. We have this Shure sticker, we have this one. I don't know what this is used for, maybe for XLR cable. And we have this pouch, nice pouch. You can put things here, my mic, and we have warranty. I think it's 2 years. This paper. I have I don't know what is this, and I have the safety instructions maybe. So this is it. I don't have any cable to connect it. Actually I bought it separately. We need to buy it separately maybe. So this is XLR cable which I can connect to my mic. Maybe something like this, and it's okay. We don't have on off switch, and this is it. The other end I can connect to the audio interface. I have already done a unboxing of audio interface Scarlett 2i2, and this is something uh, monitor locator. I'll talk about this in a bit. You can align your mic here, and then you can have monitor speaker on this side or maybe on this side. So I'll talk about this aligning monitor in a bit, but that's it about the unboxing and whatever we have in this package. And now I'm speaking to the mic. I'm not using any filter, maybe I'll use that in the future. Let's see what polar pattern is. It is the indication of what sound will be picked up by the microphone and what sound will not be picked up. Here are the polar patterns of Shure SM58 and Beta 58A. If I have mic like this, and the sound here will be picked up and the sound here will be rejected. That's why we can put the monitors or speakers here. The shape is called cardioid because it looks like a heart, and it is called supercardioid in case of Beta 58A. I hope that helps, and thanks for watching.